You shower every day, maybe even twice. You lather up, rinse off, and assume you're doing your body a favor. But here's the truth. Your shower routine might be secretly damaging your skin, drying it out, disrupting your microbiome, and even triggering breakouts or irritation. Let's break down what you're doing wrong and how to shower smarter for healthier skin. Hey, welcome to Healscape BDS, where we help you turn daily routines into long-term wellness. Most people don't realize that a few simple shower mistakes, made every single day, can slowly harm your skin's natural barrier. Today, we'll walk through the top 5 things to avoid during your shower, and what to do instead to protect your skin, microbiome, and moisture levels. 1. Showering with water. That's too hot. We get it. Hot showers feel amazing. But here's the problem. Hot water strips away your skin's natural oils and disrupts its protective barrier. Over time, this leads to dryness, flaking, redness, increased sensitivity. Fix it. Use lukewarm water, warm enough to feel relaxing, but not hot enough to fog up your mirror in 5 seconds. 2. Overusing harsh soaps or body washes. If your soap lathers like a bubble bath and smells like a fruit smoothie, it's probably too harsh. Strong detergents and synthetic fragrances can strip your skin's natural microbiome, the healthy bacteria that protect you from irritation and inflammation. Fix it. Choose gentle, fragrance-free, or plant-based cleansers. Look for terms like pH-balanced, sulfate-free, or microbiome-safe. 3. Showering for too long. More time underwater doesn't mean more clean. It actually means more skin damage. Long showers, 10+ minutes, increase transepidermal water loss, meaning your skin loses moisture instead of gaining it. Fix it. Keep showers under 8 to 10 minutes. Focus on cleansing the essential areas. You don't need to scrub every inch every day. 4. Using loofahs or dirty washcloths. That loofah hanging in your shower? It's likely a bacteria party. Loofahs and washcloths can trap moisture and dead skin cells, creating the perfect breeding ground for mold, bacteria, and even yeast. Fix it. Skip loofahs altogether, or disinfect and replace them regularly. Use clean, quick-dry washcloths and hang them in open air. Better yet, just use your hands, especially for sensitive skin. 5. Not moisturizing right after showering. The biggest skin mistake happens after your shower. When you towel off and wait 10 to 15 minutes to moisturize, you lose the window when your skin is still damp and absorbent. Fix it. Apply moisturizer within 2 to 3 minutes of stepping out of the shower. Use lotion or body oil while your skin is still slightly damp. Look for ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, or squalane bonus tips for healthier showers. Shower once daily max. Unless you've worked out, you don't need to shower twice. Use a water filter to reduce chlorine and hard minerals. Don't wash your hair every day unless it's truly oily. This can lead to dry scalp and breakage. Your shower should be a time to refresh and reset, not a routine that silently damages your skin. By making a few simple changes, you can protect your body's largest organ, reduce inflammation, and keep your skin naturally glowing all day long. Comment below. What's one shower mistake you've definitely made? We've all got one. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to Healscape BDS for smarter health habits every day, starting right in your bathroom.